Good morning students. Welcome to online classes of Raghu SAINIK School. Yesterday we stopped the lesson at functions of body parts of animals at human ear. Now today we will start nose. See, nose is the sense of smell. We know everyone that nose has the sense of smell, and that too this sense of smell connected to the sense of taste. This is very important. Why this sense of smell connected to the sense of taste means normally the food seems less tasty when nose is blocked. At the time of cold, when our nose is blocked, we can't taste some tastes. This is the reason why the nose is connected to the both sense of smell and as well as sense of taste. And coming to functions of human nose. Nose is the body's primary organ of smell and also functions as a part of body's respiratory system. The main function of the nose is, that is primary function of the nose is smell. Including this smell, nose is also functions as body's respiratory system. Next, another function of the nose is we have small hairs inside the nose. These hairs in the nose clean the air of foreign particles. Foreign particles means those particles which affect us. Otherwise, the foreign particles means outside particles which are not useful to us. Otherwise, which harm to us during respiration. Those particles are called foreign particles. These hairs inside the nose clean the air which contains these foreign particles. This is about nose. And coming to tongue, we know that tongue has a sense of taste. Tongue is the only exposed muscle of the body. You see, if you observe total our body, the only organ, otherwise only muscle which is exposed means which is visible to outside, is the tongue. That's why tongue is the only exposed muscle of the body is the tongue. Tongue is covered with moist pink tissue called mucosa. If you observe the tongue, it has pink colored tissue. That pink colored tissue called mucosa. And on the tongue, we have tiny bumps called papillae. Tiny bumps called papillae. These tiny bumps are also called taste buds. A person has thousands of taste buds on his tongue. These taste buds are collection of nerve cells. These taste buds are connected to nerve cells, and those nerve cells are connected to the brain through these nerve cells. And if you observe the figure of this tongue, we will find out where the portions we will get different types of taste. On the back side of the tongue, which is totally back side of the tongue, which is connected to our throat, that portion we have bitter taste. And on either side of the tongue, these side portions, on the tongue, we will observe the sour taste. And on the tip of the tongue, we observe sweet taste. And on either side of this tip of the tongue, we have salty taste. And in the middle portion of the tongue, we have umami taste. What is this umami means? This is the taste of the non-veg, that means meat. Taste of the meat is the umami. The taste of the meat on the tongue we will observe in the center of the tongue. This is about the where the portions which taste on the tongue we observe. This is about tongue. And coming to functions of the human tongue, the tongue functions as a digestive organ. See, digestive organ. Why we are calling it functions as a digestive organ means by facilitating the movement of food during swallow. At the time of eating, we are chewing the rice, otherwise any food item, we are chewing and swallowing. Before swallowing, we are moving that food with the help of this tongue. In this way, tongue is the functions as a digestive organ. And another function of this tongue is speech. It is used while speech, and also it functions as taste organ also. In this way, human tongue functions three parts. One is digestive organ, another one is used to speech, and another one is used to taste the food. And coming to another internal organ of another external organ of the body is skin. We know that skin has the sense of touch. Skin is the largest organ of the body. My dear students, keep it in mind. Skin is the largest organ of the body. In our body, which is the largest organ means skin. Why? Because the skin is present in the body from the topmost part of our body to tip of our legs. Every part of the body is covered with skin. That's why skin is the largest organ of the body. And the skin layer is thick on our feet and thin on our eyelids. At the eyelid portion, the skin present. This skin is very thin layer, and under the feet, the skin is very thick. And coming to functions of this skin, the skin has three functions. It protects from outside environment, and it will absorb the fluids present in our body. Under the skin, we have some fluids. That fluids are absorbed by the skin, and also the waste material present in our body comes outside by means of excretion from the skin. These three are the functions of the skin. In this way, we completed the external organs of our human body. My dear students, please pause this video and note down every point without spelling mistakes and learn all these points thoroughly, which is most important to any competitive exams. So thank you very much. In our next class, we will discuss the internal organs of our body. Thank you so much.